Howdy, Pipers. Sonoran Slinger here, and I come with good news. But first, manners, housekeeping, fourth generation evening flake, and the alligator. You know how we roll around here. Pokers and vapor flakes in this heat. Now, on to the good news. Here, at Sonoran Slinger's Forge, things have been looking up. And on the advice and coaxing of our good friend, Piper Oki, Oki Piper, Roki, you know, YouTube handle, our friend, Oki, Ron. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and the giveaway item will be a full check tool, hand forged by yours truly. You know, with the twists, you get a pick, you get a tamper. I think I'm going to make new tooling so I can even make you a scoop. And it's going to come on a nice hand forged ring and mailed to your door. No strings attached. None whatsoever. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I am going to do this giveaway sometime in the, before, what's the date today? Yeah, sometime before August. It's going to be about mid-month, because I have some orders to catch up on before I can go doing giveaways. But, if you would like to enter in the giveaway, you just leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you're smoking and what you're smoking it in, because that's what I'm here for. I like talking about pipes and pipe tobacco, because I like smoking pipes and pipe tobacco. Don't we all? I think everyone does, they just don't know it yet. That is so good. So very good. Yeah. Comment down below what you smoking it in, and you are entered. Alright? Much love, tribe. Sonoran Slinger out.